Hi friends, today we'll be watching about one of the most popular and widespread pet species, Cavia porcellus or the guinea pig. The guinea pig has gained wide popularity in the western and eastern countries as a pet since its introduction to Europe and North America. This widespread popularity of the pet species is due to its friendly nature. The guinea pig belongs to the rodent family and therefore shares some morphological features as that of other rodents. They are stout and short-legged animals. Fully grown adults range in length from approximately 8 to 19 inches. They weigh almost 850 to 1000 grams. Their lifespan varies from 6 to 8 years. Their head are blunt and have small ears. They have clawed toes on their fore and hind limbs. However, like other rodents, they have no external tail. The male guinea pigs reach sexual maturity in 3 to 5 weeks. Females fertile as early as 4 weeks. A sow is able to breed throughout the year and can have as many as 5 to 6 litters in a year. Offsprings are allitrical at birth and the pups are precoxial. Guinea pigs exhibit alloparental care in which one sow adopts the pups of others. The guinea pigs are herbivorous in nature and their natural diet is grass. Their molars are particularly suited for grinding plant material and grow continuously throughout their life. They have much longer colons than most rodents. They supplement their diet by eating their feces and it is known as coprophagy. Guinea pigs benefit from a diet of fresh grass. Like humans, they do not synthesize their own vitamin C and is obtained from food. Different breeds of guinea pig are available based on the type and color of the fur coat. The most common guinea pig is the Cavia porcellus with white fur along with little brown patches. Some common pet breeds are American, the Abyssinian, the Peruvian, and also the alpacas. Now moving on to some cultural aspects and beliefs associated with guinea pigs, it is widely accepted that livestock breeds of guinea pig play an important role in folk culture, especially as a food source. These tiny rodents were also used in folk medicine and in community religious ceremonies. Since the 17th century, biological experimentation has been carried out on guinea pigs. These were so frequently used as model organisms that by the 19th and 20th century, they were defined or called as human test subject. By this time, guinea pigs had replaced the use of rats and rabbits in biological experiments. Guinea pigs played a major role in the establishment of germ theory in the experiments of Louis Pasteur, Emily Raux, and Robert Koch. Today, guinea pigs are still used in research primarily as models to study human medicine conditions as juvenile diabetes, tuberculosis, scurvy, Chagas disease, diphtheria, typhus, Q fever, and also pregnancy complications. Guinea pigs, like humans, cannot produce their own vitamin C, and this has enabled us to use these for scurvy studies. Though colloquially called the guinea pig has actually no relation with the place Guinea in West Africa. One proposed explanation is that the animals were brought to Europe by way of Guinea, leading people to think they had originated there. While we still dream about outer space and being astronauts, these tiny creatures have been launched into orbital space flight several times by the USSR on the Sputnik 9 biosatellite with a successful recovery.